Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool trick and affordable ways to do things in simple ways. We're going to try to do this video in 1 minute, the simplest, easiest video in the entire world. I'm going to share with you how to have your car smell however you want. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez, Jorge Clint Eastwood. That's his new name. All right, so when you change your filter for your cabin, do this. If you want your car to smell like jasmine, or you want your car to smell like cinnamon, or you want it to smell like motor oil, the kit has every scent you can think of. This is Julio's car, and we're going to put this filter in there. The scent that he likes is spicy taco. Oh, we're going to put spicy taco on here for him. And all you do is put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drops on. And you do it once every 3 to 6 months. Easiest video in the entire world right here. Make your car smell the way you want, and cheap, way cheaper than buying Christmas trees. Sweet Project Cars, out.